Good morning and welcome to the December edition of Symbolic International Schools News Channel. We have some exciting updates and accomplishments from our school community to share with you today. So let's get started. First up, Axis Bank recently organized a drawing competition here at Symbolic International School. The students from various classes participated with great enthusiasm, showcasing their creativity and artistic talent. The event was a wonderful platform for students to express their imagination and was well received by all. Winners from different classes were Prithvi Sangolgi from class 3rd, Arnavi Shetty from class 4th, Sarth Masute from class 5th, Ananya Jangra from class 6th, Siddhi Batwal from class 7th, and Arham Sheikh from class 8th. Each of them received medals for their outstanding artwork. Well done, everyone!
That's right. It's always exciting to see such a creativity blossoming at our school. Moving on to another exciting event. Axis Bank also conducted a guest lecture here at Symbolic International School. Representatives from the bank shared valuable insights with our students on how bank works, teaching them important banking concepts. This session was a great opportunity for the students to build financial awareness at an early age.
In more academic news, Symbolic International School has made an outstanding performance in Kolhapur Talent Search Exam, which was organized by Rotary Club of Kolhapur. Out of 1,600 participants, Anshuman Biswal of Class 8 has ranked in top 40, receiving the study tablet. Several other students also made it to top 200, receiving gift hampers. Kudos to all the students for their hard work and dedication.
Absolutely, and in the spirit of academic achievement, the National Achievement Survey was conducted in Symbolic International School. The survey aimed to assess their learning outcomes and overall academic progress. Our students participated with enthusiasm. Their performance reflects to dedicate both the students and the teachers.
Now let's shift our gears to sports. Our much anticipated annual sports event 2024-25 was a resounding success. The theme of this year was Fitness for All, and it truly embodied the spirit of sportsmanship. The week-long event saw all the students actively participating in various sports.
And that's not all. We also had a special parents and grandparents sports day where family joined in the fun. It was a heartwarming sight to see parents and grandparents competing alongside with their children, all receiving their medals and trophies for their efforts. Such an inspiring event. And in academic excellence, we would like to congratulate students who participated in Dr. Homi Bhabha exam 2024-25. A special mention to Sabya Naikavdi, Sufyan Shirdone and Shivam Pawar from class 6 who successfully passed the exam. A big shout out to Sabya Naikavdi who excelled in written test and has now qualified for practical examination. Best of luck to all the students as they continue to make us proud.
Moving to the sports again, our school's athletes performed exceptionally well at 4th India Open National Taekwondo Championship 2024 in Goa. Vedika Karigar from class 6 secured 1 gold medal, while Swara Nallaude from class 3rd and Sarthak Khoth from class 2nd secured silver medals. Congratulations to these talented athletes for representing Symbolic International School with such pride and excellence.
Our very own Sparsh Khavre from class 6 has brought pride to our school by winning the prestigious title of Man of the Match in a 2-day cricket tournament organized by Rashtraprem Cricket Academy. The tournament was held at Pet Vadgaon, and Sparsh's exceptional performance on the field earned him this well-deserved recognition.
What an incredible set of achievements from arts and academics to sports and competitions. Our students continue to shine. We are so proud of everyone's hard work and dedication.
Our school celebrated Christmas with great joy and enthusiasm. The students in colorful attire light up the campus. The celebration included lively Christmas party featuring solo dance and fancy dress competition.
That's all for today's news. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars.